Today's topic is stocks. Chapter 1 we have already recorded. Kindly have a look on the chapter 1. Today we shall be discussing chapter 2, which involves income from a given stock. Let's begin. First question. Find the annual income if I invest rupees 3450 in 9% stock at 92. So what does this question mean? You have to calculate the income. The investment is 3450. 9% is the dividend rate which you will get on 100 stock, and I have purchased that rupees 100 stock for 92. What I have to find out is the annual income. Now, investment is given to you, so you will begin with, on the left hand side, investment. If investment is 92, then income is rupees 9. I would like to repeat, I have already explained in the first chapter regarding this. If the dividend you will receive, how much dividend you will receive from the company, that will be 9% on 100 rupees stock. But when you will consider the income, how much income are you getting on this, you will not consider rupees 100, you will consider rupees 92, because you are getting that 100 stock at rupees 92. Supposingly you got that 100 stock at 120, then you will consider the income on 120, again not on 100. If the company is giving you dividend, that will be given to you on 100, because 100 is the face value of the stock. But yeah, when you will find out the income on that particular stock, you will not consider the face value of the stock, you will consider the price at which you have purchased. So here I have purchased it for 92, so the income will be calculated on 92. If the investment is 92, the income is rupees 9, and if the investment is rupees 3450, then income will be 9 upon 92 into 3450. Simple unitary method application is here, and your answer is rupees 337.50. Next question. What investment in 3% stock at 105 yields income rupees 171 after paying 5% income tax? So you are purchasing the 100 stock and 105. You have to calculate what investment is required on this particular stock to get income of 171, and this 171 income is calculated after the paying the income tax 5%. So in such type of questions, first of all we will calculate the net income. They have given you 3 is the income on 105, because you have spent 105, right? So on 100 rupees face value stock, you are getting income 3. Income tax you will calculate. First of all, income tax on 3 rupees is 5% of 3, which is 0.15. Now net income after paying tax on 3 will be 3 minus 0.15, which is rupees 2.85. This is the net income. Now you will compare net income and investment. You have to calculate investment, therefore investment towards be the right hand side of the statement. If net income is 2.85, then investment is 105. If net income is 171, then investment is 105 upon 2.85 into 171, which is rupees 6300. What you have to take into consideration is this 171 income which is given in the question is the net income, because they are clearly mentioning 171 after paying 5% income tax. Okay, so you calculate the income which is given to you 3, calculate the net income. For that you have to calculate the income tax, subtract the income tax from your income, and then you get your net income. Now compare this net income to your investment, and this is how you solve the question. Next question is, if the investment of rupees 4900 on 5% stock gives income of 343 after paying 2% income tax, find its market value. Now your investment is given to you, you have to calculate the market value. See, the income tax on income of rupees 5, income is rupees 5, right? So आप पहले calculate the income tax, 2% of 5 rupees, this is 0.1. Now calculate net income, this is income minus income tax, 5 minus 0.1, which is 4.9 rupees. Now if income is 343, then investment is 4900. If income is 4.9, then investment will be 4900 upon 343 multiplied by 4.9, which gives you rupees 70. This means the market value of the stock is rupees 70. So the investment which you have done of 4900 here, 5% stock, you purchase that stock for rupees 70. This is the question. Next is, which is the better investment? 7.5 stock at 105 or 6.5% stock at 94. Okay, so there are two different cases. You have to calculate which is the better investment, which is giving you more income will be the better investment. Let us assume that the investment in each case is 105 multiplied by 94. So this is the way to do such type of questions. What you have to do is, when you will be calculating the investment, assumption of investment will be this: you pick 105 from here and pick 94 from here and then multiply them. So in such type of questions, this you have to assume, let the investment be 105 multiplied by 94. Considering the case 1, 7.5% stock at 105. So on investing 105, your income is 7.5 upon 10. So that will give you 15 upon 2. है ना? So on investing 105, income is 15 upon 2. On investing 105 multiplied by 94, your income is 15 upon 2 into 105 into 105 into 94. Okay, your income is 705. Now considering the case 2, in the second case, it is given to you, this is case 2. Okay, now 6.5% stock at 94. So on investing 94, income is 6.5 upon 10, which is 13 upon 2. On investing 105 multiplied by 94, your income is 13 upon 2 into 1 upon 94, which you apply the unitary method, multiplied by 105 into 94, your income is 682.50. So this income is higher, therefore income from first stock is higher, therefore the first case, the first stock is a better investment. Next, which is the better investment? 3.25% stock at 104, which is the first case, or 5% stock with 1/3% income tax at 114. So let us consider case 1, but like I told you in the last question, amount invested in each case will be 104 multiplied by 114. Now in case 1, income on 3.25% stock at 105 into 114 is 3.25 upon 104 multiplied by 104 into 114, which gives you 370.50. Now in the case 2, here you have to calculate first of all income tax. Income tax on rupees 5 will be 25 upon 3. This may 8 1 upon 3 is 25 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 100 multiplied by 5, which gives you 5 upon 12. Now you will calculate the net income. Net income after paying income tax on rupees 5 is 5 minus 5 upon 12, which is 55 upon 12. Now, if the investment is 114, then net income is 55 upon 12. If investment is 104 multiplied by 114, then net income is, you are just applying the unitary method and your answer is 476.67. So, you please compare these two incomes. Second investment is better because you are getting more income in the second investment. Next question. Which is better investment? 3% stock at 120 or 4% stock at 150? Another part of the question is, what equal sum on each should be invested so as to secure a difference in income of 10 rupees per annum? So first of all, let us deal with the first part of the question, which is the better investment, 3% stock at 120 or 4% stock at 150. Let the amount invested in each stock, I told you 120 multiplied by 150. Now income on 3% stock at 120 will be 3 upon 120 multiplied by 120 into 150, which is 450. Now income on 4% stock at 150 will be 4 upon 50 into 120 into 150, which is 480. So you are getting more income in the second case, therefore the second investment is better. Now coming to the second part of the question, what equal sum have you to invest so as to secure a difference in income of 10 rupees? Now first of all, calculate the difference here. The difference here is 30 rupees. If the difference in income is 30 rupees, then when investment in each stock was this one, 120 into 150. Now the difference in income is 10, then investment in each stock, apply the unitary method, your answer is 6,000. Next question. After selling a stock of 1600 at 3% at 105 1 upon 8 and buying the stock at 1197 upon 8, income increased by rupees 8. Calculate the dividend on the new stock and the brokerage given is 1 upon 8%. So how will you solve this question? First of all, income on rupees 100 stock is rupees 3. Now income on 1600 stock is 3 upon 100 into 1600, which is rupees 48. Right? Now market value of 100 stock is 105, 1 upon 8, and you minus the brokerage from here and you get 105 because the brokerage given is 1 upon 8%. Now on selling rupees 100 stock, amount received is 105. On selling 1600 stock, amount received is 105 upon 100 into 1600, which is 1680. Now with this amount of 1680, you will invest in the next stock. Income from second stock will be 48 plus 8 is equal to 56 because it is given in the question that the income increased by rupees 8. Now if the investment is 1680, then income is 56. And if your investment is 119, 7 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8. Why have you done 1 plus 1 upon 8? Because when you are purchasing the stock, you have to add the brokerage. So your investment is 120, then your income will be 56 upon 1680 into 120, which is rupees 4. Okay, so the dividend on the second stock is 4%. You are asked to find out the dividend on the new stock. You have calculated the dividend on the second stock. So here I come to the end of the article. I hope I have made the things very clear to you. In case you have any doubts, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay safe, stay blessed.